All right, the next step is let's add some commas to this. So in fact, first let's treat it as an array. So if you look at this template, it's actually an array. So let's make it an array by adding the brackets. So on top here, I will do a file dot right here, and then I'll add in the square brackets so we can just see it on a line by itself. I'm just going to put in here a carriage return. And at the end, outside of the loop, right before we close, we will add in a carriage return again. And let me do the ending of the array right there. All right, let's run this again to see how many errors we get. Okay, got one error. Let's look at the file. We can see here we have that and that. Looks like I don't need this extra carriage return actually, so I'm going to get rid of that. Save it. Let me run that again. And let's look at this. So now what we're missing in now is the comma. So that's the problem here. So I'm going to go here, right in front of stock. I'm going to, let's say here, comma. All right, let's see here, comma. And yep, I'm going to put comma there. And let's create a variable for it. I'll say here, comma, and I'll initialize it to nothing. And after the first time, so right now it'll be blank for the first row. And after the first row, I want that comma to have a value of a comma. Save that. Let's run this again. Okay, no errors. Let's look at S&P 500. Notice now it's in perfect format. So it's in strict JSON format, and for those of you taking MongoDB, I should be able to upload this to MongoDB easily. All right, so let's go back here. And this is what I'm going to do. Let's finish the whole thing up. Let's go here to here. Let's get rid of the 1 and the 3. We don't need that range to cut. Oh, I do need it to skip row 1. Let's make it skip row 1. And let's run that again. Okay. It's telling me got 9 errors here. Thought we did a good job. Where are the 9 errors? I'm going to click here. It's in this section it doesn't like. What went wrong here? Trying to figure out what went wrong here. Let's see here. The commas are here. Why this line it went wrong? Oh, some of these actually contain commas in the name or quotes already. And I think that's what it is. So like Domino's Pizza. So let's look up on the website. And let me close this. And yeah, so Domino's Pizza had a single quote that became a problem after we did the search and replace. So that's the issue here with this portion here. All right, so got to fix that. All right, so that's the issue here. When we're doing the search and replace, this messed us up. So we'll fix that in the next video.